Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Elementor in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can get started logging into your account. So in the upper right corner, you can get started logging into your account, and after successfully logging in this homepage right here that you're going to open up, this is your website where the left side screen you can get started accessing all the sections you need, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started importing and installing Elementor into our WordPress website. It's very easy, and what we are looking for guys is right here at the left side of the screen. You want to look for the plugins section. After you have opened the plugins, it's going to appear like this. This is going to be your plugin store. You can take a look at all the plugins that you can get started using for your WordPress website. So in this main page right here at the top of the screen is going to be a search bar that we want to use. We want to search for Elementor right here in this search bar. So go ahead and search. As you can see, this is not going to give us a result of all the applications and plugins we can use. And basically what we're looking for is this right here, the Elementor website builder, which is more than just a page builder. This is the official name. So basically guys, you can get started using it. You need an upgraded plan for your website on WordPress. As you can see, currently I'm using the free plan. What you need is an upgraded plan so you can get started using it. And once you have upgraded your plan and you can use the plugins section right here, you can get started installing it by clicking the install button that's going to appear right here. So click the install button and this is going to enable you to get started with the installation process. Go ahead and provide all your info, connect it to your WordPress website, and after that you'll be able to find it in your plugins right here and get started using it. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.